Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox item codes. First, understand that these codes grant you exclusive virtual items for your avatar or in-game use. You typically acquire them through special events, promotional giveaways, or toy purchases. Before you begin, always confirm your code is active and has not yet expired. This ensures a smooth and successful redemption process for your desired item. Next, you will need to navigate to the correct redemption page. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Roblox website. Once there, log in to your personal Roblox account using your unique username and password. After logging in, look for the Redeem Roblox Codes page. This page is usually accessible through the main menu or linked near the gift card redemption area. Now it is time to enter your code. Locate the designated input box on the redemption page. Carefully type or paste your unique item code into this field. It is crucial to double-check every character for accuracy, as even one incorrect letter or number will prevent successful redemption. Once you are certain the code is correct, click the Redeem button to process your request. Finally, let us find your newly acquired item. After a successful redemption, the item will automatically be added to your Roblox inventory. Navigate to your avatar customization page or inventory section. Look within the relevant categories, such as accessories, clothing, or gear, to find your new item. You can now equip and proudly display your exclusive virtual item in any supported Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.